Just a quick updates for Arbitrum with my customer care set. We're more than okay. Try to open futures trade. First of all, guys, you can open trade even now at this current position because we trade under the listing price on HTX zone 23. So I guess the 10 cents, it's more than okay position for futures. I'm in position now on flow and algo. So I'm skip the Arbitrum because no makes sense to spread the stable coins, just a small positions, between the hundreds of tokens. I'm focused now only on 3-5 assets now. So I'm in position now. Maybe I'm gonna open some futures trade more if I get a chance. One more entry for the flow and the algo. So, but if you're not in position now, here's the setup. So this is a daily time frame. Of course, it's a Wednesday. So usually on Wednesday to Tuesday, we pump it. But here, 8%. So with the second leverage, it's 16% stop loss. It's absolutely the same, like 1.6% with the 10x leverage. So just up to your own risk. And the target, guys, it's take profit line. Take profit line, it's going to be the 180% profit against the 16. So around like this one. After that, it would be good to see the break of structure when we mark it here at the top of January 18, right? It's a break of structure and the exit line, it's 21.30 and 200 AMA on a daily. So everything, around the block of 1889, it's a take profit on a daily, break of structure, and a test of 200 AMA. Of course, the negative scenario can be, if we just bounce to the 50 EMA and form the new low. It's possible. Yes, of course, guys. It's possible. Absolutely. Absolutely. But we already retested the 50 EMA on a daily. That's why more than sure we're going to retest firstly the 15 cents. It's 100 EMA. A weekly time frame, guys, like you can see, we saw underrated. This is one more reason why it's more than okay to try buying the Arbitrum now, even for the spot or the futures with the stop losses. Here, break of structure on a daily, it's a test fundamental value. We get a price and the value of the Arbitrum. Below, it's 21.80. 50 EMA, it's around the buy line on the weekly. And here's 100 EMA, it's 52.93. Take profit line. So, it's around, everything around the levels, it's combining the factors why the price can go to that levels. But the lines are dynamic. So, for example, maybe it's going to be here. By end of the May, it will be the miracle if we're going to test at least the 50 EMA or the 100. But after that, usually, what I notice, if we'll see something like this one, after that, we're going to drop to from 64 in summer to 27 or even 20. And maybe going to form something like double, or not a double bottom, head and shoulder on a weekly. And finally, see some good gains in autumn. That's why I'm more than sure. So this time we're going to see the sell in May and go away. So this is a zone. We're more than okay to open the futures because we test the buy line on daily. If we now reject at 50 EMA or the 100 EMA by news or something, yes, the road can be open even to 688. This is my zone where I probably going to buy the Arbitrum for the spot. Now I'm enough with the spot position. That's why I just speculate on the futures. So the stop loss on the 914 with the targets, what I showed you before. Right, so it's about the EMA and take profit. Let's double check, guys. ADZ direction. This is just a basic chop, basic consolidation since beginning of February. We just trade in the tiny range like here. So 29% for Arbitrum is little and nothing range, right? And if we count here on a line chart, we cut all noise. So it's like 20% chop since middle of February. Based on the 12 time frame, ADZ. This is around the accumulation zone. Daily time frame, it's distribution. That's why, let's go to the candles. That's why I will be not surprised if we reject at 50 EMA and the drop again this weekend. That's why be careful, guys, with the high leverages. This is a gap on the daily. We can retest 10.63 and drop it down again. form something like local, just intraday, this one head and shoulder. After that, going higher. The buy line on 12 time frame, you remember I showed you. This is a distribution on a daily. No distribution on direction indicator. Weekly time frame, it's accumulation. So for the spot, like conclusion, guys, I think it's not a mistake. You accumulate at 9. If we drop to 6, you buy in again. So your average entry is going to be like 7, for example. I think it's more than a good entry for the Arbitrum. Market modes on a weekly, it's total capitulation, total disbelief on a daily. So it's good, even buy on the spot or the futures. No news. I just double check. No news for the Arbitrum. Nothing special now. Money power, guys, what I don't like, we didn't see the money inflow on a 12 time frame. We didn't see money inflow on a daily. That's why I wait. Let's get add the alerts. Money power, money inflow on a daily. So for me, it's will be like reason to start accumulate some position on the futures. And the last one is trade on sessions. I would like to double check here. Also with the positive moment, we saw the signal take profit, the signal to buy. So this is like a boring consolidation. Take a look. It's almost there all the time, the same bars. So the body candles is absolutely the same. So this volume, like 10 and 20, 10, 20, and 936, this by volume in this range, it's more than okay for the whales accumulated assets, Arbitrum. And trade on, signal to buy. I would like to double check this one. Yearly opens. Usually we come back to the yearly opens and the monthly open. Test. So the yearly open for Arbitrum is here. Yes, it's around the break of structure. It's 2181, 2161. This one. So sooner or later we're going to test that level. And this break of structure on a daily, we need to see something like this one. Drop to 20 cents and form this head and shoulder. But this can be the boring summer chop by end of the August, for example, and go higher. So this is it, guys. I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what do you think about Arbitrum. If you like to trade with my customer, because I would show it in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.